Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. So students, first of all let me tell you one thing that we have added a new subject artificial intelligence in your curriculum. So in this term you will be studying artificial intelligence, which is also called as AI, as a subject. Okay, so this is your first lecture of artificial intelligence, so this will be an introductory lecture that what is AI. Okay, so first of all, in the artificial intelligence you have unit number 1, which is introduction to AI. In this chapter we will introduce you that what is artificial intelligence, and in this lecture I will discuss these key points. First of all, what is AI? Then some examples of AI in daily life. Then why is AI important? Types of AI, applications of AI, some advantages and disadvantages of AI, and the future of AI. Okay, so now let's start the lecture. So what is AI? AI is also called as artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to think, learn and make decisions like human. Okay, so what is AI? It is the ability of any machine, for example any computer, to think and make decision like humans do. Like we see in the daily life that humans make some decisions that we will do this thing and that thing as a result of something. So when we give commands to computer, so computer have to think, and when the computer can think like human, it is called as artificial intelligence. Okay, it enables computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. It enables computers to think like human beings. Okay, so it is also a form of computer science used to create intelligent machines that can recognize human speech objects, can learn, plan and solve problems like humans. Okay, so what can AI do? It can recognize speech, it can detect any object, solve any problem and learn from the given data, and then plan an approach for future tasks to be done. Okay, so there are some examples of AI in daily life. First is voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. So students, you have seen that there is Siri and Google Assistant in our mobiles. When we give some command to Siri or Google Assistant, it then plays that thing or start showing that thing. For example, I give command to Siri that play that song for me. It start playing that song. Okay, similarly we have YouTube recommendations. So what are YouTube recommendations? When you watch any video on YouTube, you see that the YouTube also gives some recommendations that you can also watch this video or that video. So this is because of AI. AI detects what you like to watch and then it recommends you some other videos which are related to that video which you may like. Okay, so next is face recognition in mobile phones. So you see that in our phones there is face recognition. You can when you show your face to your mobile, it automatically starts your phone. Next is chatbots. You have seen some chatbots like ChatGPT and Gemini. You use these chatbots and they answer you like humans. For example, you have a question and you ask ChatGPT, it gives you answer like a human being. There are some other examples of artificial intelligence. For example, home appliances and sensors that adjust lights and air coolers according to the climate. Security system, all the appliances are interconnected to each other. AI can also detect vehicles in the driveway and let the owner know. Home appliances can be controlled remotely through the phone. Okay, so there are some new appliances which can be controlled by the use of phone. Okay, so next is why is AI important? AI makes life easier and faster. So when you have to do something, you open your phone and for example you have to search for any answer of your question. You open your phone, you ask ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gives answer promptly. So this way is easier and faster, and it makes your life easier. Helps in solving complex problems. Okay, so you have any problem and you have to get an answer of that thing, you can ask AI, and then it will give you solution for that thing. Used in healthcare, education, business and more. Okay, so AI is used in healthcare. How is AI used in healthcare? You see that there are some machines which detect what is happening inside the body. So this is because of the AI. Next is education. So we have different apps and different chatbots and different things which help in education as well. Next is business. So AI also helps in business by performing different tasks. So next is types of AI. Number one is narrow AI, which is weak AI. Second is general AI, which is strong AI. So narrow AI can perform only some specific task, only one task at a time. This is weak AI. But general AI, which is strong, can perform any intellectual task like humans still under development. So the strong AI can perform any task like humans, and it is still under development. Next is applications of AI. Number one is healthcare. You can detect any disease by the help of AI. Next is education. Smart learning apps. We have different smart learning apps which help in education. Next is transportation. Self-driving cars. You have seen that they have introduced some cars which are based on AI and they are self-driving. They can drive on their own. Next is business, customer support. So AI provides customer support in the businesses. There are some other applications, for example banking. In banking we use AI to detect any fraud. Next is online customer support, cyber security, virtual assistant like Siri, Cortana, Alexa and Google. Next are some advantages and disadvantages of AI. So what are advantages? See, AI saves time. It reduces human error and works 24/7, which means it can work all day and night. Humans cannot do things like this. Humans get tired. AI do not get tired. It can work 24/7. Human cannot do it like this. And next are some disadvantages. It can reduce jobs. So when AI does all the things, it can reduce the jobs for humans. Next is expensive to develop. There are very heavy machinery used at the back end of AI, which is very expensive to make. Next is depends on data. So AI depends on data to do any work. So we feed the information in the computers and it uses the previous knowledge, which is the data, to give answers. Okay, next is future of AI. AI will become more advanced, more automation in daily life and new job opportunities in technology. So what is the future of AI? It will be more advanced. Next is more automation. You will see some motor cars and bikes and everything will be automated. New job opportunities. So in the technical field there will be more jobs available. Okay, so these are some other examples for the future of AI. Next is the summary. So what did we study in this lecture? That AI is a machine that can think and learn like human beings, and then it performs different tasks like humans do. Okay, so next, it is used in many fields. We have seen that AI is now being used in many fields and it has both advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so this was all about today's lecture. I hope you understood this lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.